The stock intake on our 2012 EcoBoost wasn't doing us much good and was really hindering possible performance gains. So we installed an AFE cold air intake to enable our twin-turboed truck to get all the air it needs. The first step on the install is to remove the old intake tubing by loosening the clamps and pulling it from the engine. Moving on to the intake box, the map sensor can be disconnected and taken off the old intake after the old air box is removed. Now the new AFE box can be set in place, followed by the install of the AFE couplers. Install the new AFE intake tube and connect it to the downpipe and the airbox. Once the intake tube is set in place, the map sensor can be transferred to the new intake and plugged in, then the new filters can be installed.